Our strength lies in our people. With a team of over 750 professionals, more than 200 constantly on the ground, ensuring seamless installations, responsive after sales support, and swift solutions to any unexpected challenges worldwide. Our manufacturing facilities span over 60,000 square meters with a presence in more than 72 countries and over 5 decades of experience. We have established ourselves as a global leader in the edible and non-edible oil, recycling, food, feed, and biofuel industry. Our success as a leading manufacturer and export house is a testament to our unwavering dedication, innovation, and hard work.
We are serving our valued customers to their complete satisfaction by ensuring fair, transparent, accountable, and ethical management in order to protect the interests of all stakeholders.
With open arm, we welcome you to Goyum.
We invest in systems that don't just meet the industry benchmarks, they redefine them. Each innovation is driven by a single purpose to ensure that every product bearing the Goyum name performs with flawless reliability, quality, and accuracy. At Goyum, quality is not a final check, it's a constant thread that runs through every stage of production. Our manufacturing spaces are built to uphold this principle, combining the finesse of craftsmanship with the accuracy of next generation technology.
In 2025 2026, we successfully commissioned more than 68 turnkey projects, which includes 55 plus oil mills, 4 solvent extraction plants, 6 oil refineries, 2 feed mills, 1 soap plant, provided spares to 150 plus clients across 33 countries, strengthening our global footprint with Made in India products and customer confidence. Everything we build is focused on 3 goals: helping our customers achieve higher efficiency, long-term reliability, and stronger returns. We connected with customers, partners, and industry leaders through global industry events and direct visits for strengthening relationships and opening new opportunities worldwide. We manufactured model Goyum 33 palm kernel oil expeller having capacity 35 tons per day and model Goyum 207 groundnut oil expeller having capacity of 15 tons per day in single pressing, with advanced technologies that allow customers to do more with less. We introduced the engineering excellence to maximize output, reduce energy use, and improve operational control. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do. Customer satisfaction is our ultimate goal. We measure our success by the success of our clients. Our commitment to quality is not just a promise, but a practice. We are not just building products. We are shaping the future of our clients. Our vision is to create solutions that stand the test of time. As we move into new business year, we continue our mission to build with integrity, innovate with purpose, and grow with passion. We are excited to share with you in advance our upcoming launches: 800 tons solvent extraction plant and 1000 tons oil refinery, engineered to deliver superior output with optimized operational efficiency. Further increasing our extraction capabilities, we will soon introduce the Goyum 5100 model, a powerful solution designed for oil extraction up to 500 tons per day in pre-pressing. In addition, we will launch our 5 tons per hour soya extruder soon. These systems are under production, which will meet the growing demands of large-scale processing. This year, we plan to penetrate more into the Southeast Asian and European markets.
Let's embrace the future with passion and strive for excellence. Together, we will not only achieve our goals but surpass them, making our company benchmark in the industry. As we look ahead, we remain committed to the values that we built in this company: trust, quality, and long term relationships. We are grateful for your continued faith in us.